We have here a beautiful Quantum Edge 3. This power chair has 3 miles, so it's practically brand new. It has 4 electrical functions. It has other functions, which we'll talk about as we go along, some upgrades on this chair, lots of upgrade. So it does have the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric feet. So all the options on this chair have to be worked through the joystick. So you would go to your knob right here on the left side and keep pushing forward until you see a picture of your seat. When you see a picture of the seat, whatever's yellow on the seat is what's going to happen. So I'm going to start with the seat lift, which is just a bottom cushion. When you have that on yellow, then you just move back and forth. If I move it back, you can see the seat lift right here starting to go up. So the seat will start at 22 inches when it's all the way down. And when it's all the way up, of course, 12 inches more, it'll be at 34 inches. This is called iLevel. So the nice thing about this chair, when the seat's elevated all the way up to eye level, you can still drive it at 3-4 miles an hour. So if I put it back into drive, you'll see it moves pretty darn fast. I can't make it move fast in here because we have not enough room, but you can see that that chair really boogies with the seat elevated. So if we look at the base, you see the 14-inch solid tires here. You can see the caster wheel in the front, caster wheel in the back. You have anchor point here and an anchor point on this side. You have two. This is where you would secure your chair to your lift for transport. You would hold it here and here. You have 2 more on the back on the other side. So you have a total of 4 anchor points. You can see the seat lift, the armature for the seat lift. You can see the actuator right here for the seat lift. You can see how solid that is, okay? You have a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own motor that goes directly to the wheel, okay? Right now I can't push this chair because right now with all the motors on here, it weighs right at 400 pounds. But if I turn the power off on the chair, okay, and then this yellow knob, if you push it down, what it does is it unlocks the wheel. So you can see now it's in neutral. You have to do this motor and the other motor on the opposite side, then you can roll it, okay? But when you're done rolling it, make sure you put it back in gear, then turn your power back on. And that is just, the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor when you're pushing. Bring the seat back down, this is what it would look like. Again, when you start down, the seat will be at 22. It'll be at 34 when it's all the way up. This is called a swing away joystick, so you can swing the joystick away from the front. It's all set up for the right hand side. If you're left-handed, we can switch it to the left and move the cup holder on the right hand side. So now, the next function we're going to do the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the base right here goes back. When the base goes back right here, it's going to take the leg, it's going to take the back because they're all connected together. This is called the electric tilt. This is a good way if you need to relax, or you need some good circulation. You can see how far back it will take you. The next function I'm going to do are the feet. So you can see the feet going up. These are adjustable. So if you're 5 feet tall or 6'2", we can push them out. So if you wanted some really good circulation, this would be a little extreme, but you can see how far you can go. There we go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you if we're only halfway tilted. I'm going to bring the tilt back down. You can still have elevation over your heart. So you can see right here, even at this position, your feet are still higher than your body. You would still get some good circulation. And we're going to bring it down flat. And the last function on this chair is called the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back goes back by itself. That's called the recline. So we'll see how far this one will go down. So it's pretty much a full recline. So if you were laying down flat in this chair, you can see what it would look like, okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the back and the legs down with one button. I'm doing 2 functions at once. I'm bringing the legs down and the back up, all in one function. These are just fantastic chairs. And now I'm going to leave the legs out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring just the back forward. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the seat back to flat. There we go. So we're back to standard positioning now. Now I'm going to put it back in drive. And we're going to, this is a mid-wheel drive, so the drive wheels are in the middle. So this chair will literally turn from the nose to the back wheel between two boxes. If you put a box where my foot is and you put another box in front, it'll literally turn inside that diameter. So if you watch the chair, if I get it right here in one spot, I can do this all day long and sit right here in that same spot. So this is the benefit of a chair like this with 6 wheels. They have a better turning radius. The seat on this chair is 17 by 18. It's a really nice memory foam cushion. Really, you can see how it comes back. And it's contoured. You can't see over there, but it's contoured in the middle, contoured on the outside. Now, these seats are all adjustable. So if this is too small or too big, we can modify these seats to your size. As I said, the cup holder can be put on this side if you're left-handed, and put the joystick back on this side. You do have a safety belt right here that comes with your chair. Also with this chair, you have in the back what's called a Tendon Control. So if I switch from to this side right here, if I switch that, well, maybe it's this side. Now I switch it over, I can drive the chair from here. Okay, so I can also do all the functions from this. This is called an Attendant Control. I'm going to switch it back to the front. And we're going to have to turn it back on over here. So whenever you have this on, you're only going to have one driver. So you don't want to have 2 people directing the chair. Okay, so this is called an Attendant Control. And I want to show you also the suspension on this chair. Okay. If you look at the back, look at that suspension. That's really nice, and it's adjustable by turning this ring right there, and you have the same suspension in front. If you look at the front, we have the same suspension here and on that side. So 3 different shocks. That's what gives this chair such a nice ride. You also have a fully adjustable headrest, and also with this chair, you have headlights, and there's a button on here somewhere for the headlights, and I will find it. It's right here. So if you push this button right here, you can see the lights on the fenders. So you have headlights and you have tail lights. So this chair is equipped with factory lights, and we're going to turn the lights off. And when you charge this chair, you'll take your quantum charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from charging orange to green, it's fully charged. The charger will stop charging when the batteries are full, so you don't have to worry about that. The charger will stop. So let's recap. We've got here a Quantum Edge 3 power chair with 3 miles, the latest in technology. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet. It has the swing away joystick. It has the flip up arms. It has the memory foam cushion. It does have the safety belt, the drink cup holder, the headlights and tail lights, the adjustable headrest, and of course, the Attendant Control. This chair has 3 miles, so if you're looking for a really nice chair, top of the line in quality and suspension, this is one of them you can look at, and it's ready to go. So this is the Quantum Edge 3 power chair. Top speed is 6 miles an hour. This is like riding a cushion of air. It's just so smooth. Of course, this is concrete, but it is just super smooth. Very easy to handle. It has built-in brakes, so when you let go of the joystick, it brakes automatically. So this chair does really well in the grass. Great suspension also in the grass. So this is the one with the 12-inch seat lift. So what we'll do is we'll make the seat go up as we're talking here. And you'll see me drive the chair with the seat elevated. So right now the seat's going up. So it does have the swing away joystick. It does have the headlights on the fender, the anchor points, okay? It has the Attendant Control in the back, the drink cup holder right here. And all this is adjustable, so if you needed to size up this seat to fit your size and your height, all that is available here. We can do that here. So this is the seat elevated. So this is crazy. This chair will actually drive at 4 miles an hour, the seat elevated. 4 miles an hour. So that's just kind of crazy. But not because it's unstable, it's just usually they never went faster than 1 mile an hour in the old days. Now you can go 4 miles an hour. But if you're going to drive with this chair with the seat elevated, please, flat surface, malls, movie theater, do not go with bumpy. You're asking for trouble. These are great chairs. They're expensive chairs, but they're not trucks. Okay, so you must take care of your equipment. But you definitely can ride this chair and have fun and be eye level with someone at the movie theater, or if you're in your kitchen, you need to do the dishes, you need to get something on the second shelf on your counter, and you'd be sitting sideways at your counter. You don't want to be sitting forward to where you're leaning, but you'd be coming sideways. You can do your dishes right here. It's just an amazing chair, and it's ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.